Hey guys, how you going? Today we're going to be going to go over how a complete beginner can start their affiliate marketing business and how they can kind of not copy but base their business off some of the stuff I'm doing, some of the stuff you can copy, some of the stuff you can look at and see if there'll be something you're interested in. But pretty much these are kind of the basics where most affiliate markets start. This is what I was taught by my mentors. This is kind of the universal kind of average for how affiliate marketers kind of get their leads, get their sales. Obviously, there's kind of other methods to it, but this is kind of something that is universally known, universally kind of accepted, which is it's great for driving leads and growing sales. So I'm going to kind of go over this. This is kind of diagram of what I'm doing in a minute. It looks a bit complicated, but don't worry, I'll go more over it. So pretty much, right, if I grab a little pen, over here at TikTok is where kind of the views come in, the eyeballs. I post about 3 videos a day on my TikTok. Varying in views, some do better than others. But if someone was to like my TikTok, follow me, I got a link in my bio that leads to my YouTube channel, my Facebook group, and also my blog. So a link, it's basically one of those links where it kind of leads to other links. So it leads to my Facebook group, my YouTube channel, and my blog. So if anyone likes my videos, wants a bit more knowledge about it, they'll go to either of those 3. It also has a link to an opt-in page. An opt-in page is where people pretty much put their emails in, and their email will go to your email list, and that will follow up with a sales and bridge page, which pretty much describes your story a little bit and also a bit about the product and how it helped you. Because if you don't kind of build this relationship with your customer and your client base, it'll be more or less likely they'll go to the next step in the order page and eventually to the purchase stage. So you want to kind of build that relationship. You want to kind of relate to them, That's kind of the best way to kind of build a long-term relationship and kind of build confidence with just a relationship with your client base so they can relate to you. Now, if someone goes through my TikTok, he goes to an opt-in, puts in their email and first name, but goes to the bridge page and doesn't think they want to buy today, this is where all this stuff comes in. The emails, and the more emails. Right? So if they put opt-in, they'll go into my email list, which has an autoresponder back to it, which sends about, I don't really know how many emails I'll send in a minute. I think it's around about 15. So about an email a day for 15 days, trying to convert those leads into clients, into customers, which leads them to here, which leads them to here, which ultimately leads them to a purchase. So about a 15-day process where emails will be sent out daily to get them to convince them of the product, convince them of the authenticity of the product, and pretty much just get the sale. Without email, I would pretty much say email marketing is where the money's made. Driving the traffic's one thing, but converting them into customers is a whole different other thing. So if you're not doing email marketing, I highly suggest you get onto it. I've got a great kind of tool down below that you can start today. So pretty much that's kind of the basis of it. Also, if they go to my TikTok and go to my YouTube, Facebook, they'll also get some links to an opt-in page, and then the process starts again. So they can either go sales or they can either go the email road. But either way, most stuff leads to my opt-in page in the end. So that's pretty much kind of the basis of what my business is doing right now. Also, I've got my blog. My blog's kind of its own separate entity. You don't need to have a blog. Just if you want to kind of a basis of a blog, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I've only got 4 posts, but 4 posts do the job. If I go into here, you can embed your affiliate links in there. You can look, if you just like affiliate links. Someone reads this post and goes through and they just think, oh wow, this is really helpful. I'm gonna buy from this person. They might find it helpful and then might buy from it. You just don't know. So yeah, you don't need to have one though. It's not essential at all. But if you want a bit of extra income, bit of extra revenue, something else to work on while you're driving leads and possible customers to your opt-in pages, blog's a great thing to start. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to kind of show you what some of the stuff I'm using to promote and how you can also kind of not copy but base your business around it. And hopefully it can work out for you. So let me go check it out. Now let's go over some of the stuff I'm using right now. So if I go over to here, once this loads, this is an example of a kind of opt-in page that I'm using. This is just simple, finally start your first online business. This is promoting a product called the 3-Day Business Breakthrough course. It's a very good product by Jonathan Montoya. I'll leave a link in the bio if you're interested in checking it out. But this is pretty much where I learned how to do this. It pretty much just describes, have you ever watched your starts probably online business? Have you ever wanted to? A bit of my story, a bit on how I get going, and then just a bit more information, and pretty much a bit on me, a bit of what's inside, and a disclaimer. So if they go start now, they'll get hit with this. You can put an email in, so if you put that, just a random email, get instant access. And this will lead them to a thank you page. But this is pretty much what I call the bridge page. The number one beginner benefit that's missing is the right high ticket foundation. Reading more for short message from me. Bit about yourself. Tell them a bit about yourself. Create a bit of a relationship. Tell them how your business has changed you, what's happening now. Tell them a bit about the product. 3-Day Business Challenge with Jonathan Montoya. This is exactly what you're going to learn in a much, much more profound scale. You learn this incredible stuff. I've taken the course. It's fantastic. If you want to do it, link in the bio, as I said. And then pretty much once you do that, start now, will take you to this page. A kind of sales video page this is supplied from Jonathan Montoya after you complete the course. And as you can see, it's an affiliate link, click 42. That's pretty much, and then once you do this, yes, getting access now, it will go to this. Okay, so pretty much that's the bridge page. That's kind of all that stuff. And then pretty much it would come. I use a thing called Aweber for some of my emails and stuff. I only just kind of started this up. I also use GetResponse. I don't like to leave all my kind of eggs in one basket. I like to use different kind of stuff. So this pretty much just goes over kind of some of this other stuff. This is also my Legendary Marketer follow-up. I use GetResponse for my 3-day challenge follow-up. This is pretty much what a campaign looks like. You can see the opens, you can also see the clicks. It's pretty much what a campaign looks like. That's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, pretty much what you want to do. So if I'm leaving you with anything, what you want to do is you need to find a base for your traffic. So I use TikTok. Link in the bio on my TikTok. There's my Facebook. There's my YouTube. Also my blog. And if people don't go to my YouTube or Facebook, my blog, they will go to an opt-in page. Hopefully they'll put their email in. If I'm lucky, the rare 1%, they'll go to my sales, go to the offer, go all the way to the purchase, or they'll go to my email, and I'll follow up for about 15 days. And then if they decide they're convinced of the product, boom, and back to the sale, back to the purchase. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much how you can start as a complete beginner. It's obviously going to take time. It's going to take commitment, hard work. The biggest thing with TikTok is consistency. If you start taking time off here and there, it's going to kind of hinder it a little bit. It's going to hinder the algorithm. But if you're consistent, if you're driving traffic, if you're driving leads to your Facebook, your YouTube, your opt-ins, and obviously to your email list, you're going to be successful. You're going to start seeing the big paydays. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching. If you want any kind of essential tools or links to essential tools, you can check out the bio. But leave any like and subscribe. Leave any